Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post-market report for the day. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the American market fell by 86 points in the previous trading session and was last seen closing at 27,844. Now coming on to the Indian markets, we could see that the Nifty last closed for the day at 11,385 Indian rupees, which was a fair hike of 138 points, whereas in terms of percentage, we can say it was 1.23% in upwards. There were 39 advances recorded in Nifty 50, whereas 11 declines and 0 unchanged stocks. Now coming on to the different sectorial indices, we could see the first sectorial indices, that is Nifty Next 50, closing for the day at 27,667 rupees with a fair hike of 360 points. 316 points. Whereas if we come on to the advances and declines, we could see 41 advances in Nifty Next 50, whereas 9 declines were recorded in it with 0 unchanged stocks. Moving on to the next one, that is Nifty Mid Cap 50, it was last in closing at 4,633 with a marginal difference of upside in upside, that was 65 points. Whereas coming on to the advances, there were 38 advances recorded in Nifty Mid Cap 50, whereas 12 declines were recorded in Cap 50 and 0 unchanged stocks. Moving on to the next sector, that is the auto sector, Nifty Auto closed for the day at 7,941 rupees with a fair jump of 76 points. There were 10 advances recorded in Nifty Auto and 5 declines in it with 0 unchanged stocks. In the last, we have Nifty Bank, which was recorded last trading at 22,170, whereas it recorded a jump of 469 points, and there were 11 advances in Nifty Bank and only 1 decline with 0 unchanged stocks. Now moving on to the Indian markets on the charts, we could see that the first two candles of the Nifty were bullish candles followed by a bearish candle, and the rest of the day had a slow momentum only. No particular high or lows were made, but still at the end of the day we could see some kind of an uptrend in the market. And finally the Nifty closed at 11,385, that was in green. Now coming on to the contribution to the index, the shares like HDFC Bank from private banking sector contributed approximately 21.79, whereas Reliance followed it from oil exploration and production industry with 20.11, with ICICI Bank from the private banking sector 12.63, and Kotak Mahindra Bank again from the private sector contributing around 8.63. Apart from that, there were several other large, medium and small cap companies as well. Now if we come on to the FII and DII data, we could see that DII made total sales for the day of 717 crore rupees, whereas FII made a buying value of 332 crore rupees. Moving on to the top 5 gainers and losers for the day, Aditya Birla Grasim, Ultratech Cement, JSW Steel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Zee Entertainment were considered as the top 5 gainers for the day. On the other hand, top 5 losers were BPCL, Bharti Petroleum, Tech Mahindra, Cipla, HCL Tech, Gale. These were considered as the top 5 losers of the day. But ultimately, the Aditya Birla Grasems was considered as the topmost gainer for the day. If you see, the upcoming quarter results to be announced tomorrow are from the companies like CSB Bank Limited, Ruchi Soya Industries Limited. Now I have listed only two companies over here which are much more familiar to us, but the list goes on. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. At the same time, I would request you to click on the bell icon for timely updates. The use of a like button is not only to motivate us, but at the same time, clicking the like button increases our YouTube search capability and ranks us in a better position with your like button, clicking on the like button. So I would kindly request you to click on the like button so that we get good ranking for our videos. At the end, I would like to request you to further share this channel, and I hope to see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.